Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I want to show you how to use Bybit copy trading platform effectively. If you don't know what Bybit is a crypto exchange platform that allows you to trade both in the spot market, the futures market, and also you can trade on their new platform called the TradFi trading platform. So I want to show you how you can actually use the copy trading platform. For those of you who don't have an account with Bybit, the first thing you need to do is to use my link in the description of this video. Get your first Bybit account right now, and then you stand to have up to $20 in bonus as a new user, but you have to register with my link in the description of this video. So this is Bybit platform, and I want to show you how to access the copy trading platform. But let me explain what copy trading is all about for you before I go deeply into that. Copy trading is all about you copying professional traders that have a remarkable performance, and you are able to verify it by yourself. Then you feel like you want to copy whatever they are doing based on their ROI or whatever performance they display right here on the Bybit platform. You can now copy whatever they are doing. That is just what this video is all about. I want to show you how to do it within just a short moment. So right here is my Bybit exchange platform, and you can see that I have, this is the home page. All right, well, let me go to the home page. You're going to see it like this, definitely. Now on the top, you can also use your phone for it, but then you can use your computer, whatever device you have that has access to install the application. So right here, I can see that I have this trade section. I have tools. So right on the tools section, you can see copy trading here. So there are two types of copy trading on the Bybit exchange platform. This particular one is basically for crypto and those of you who love to trade cryptocurrency. So let's click on it. If you click on that particular one, you can see that it's saying copy trading classic, unlock top traders, achieve champion profit. So what you're going to do here is that you're going to scroll down and just have a look at whatever is there before you start reading whatever you have there. So you can actually see that you have the copy trading. I have no money right there currently, but then I already have money on my Bybit exchange platform. You want to know how to fund your account on Bybit, you can use either the P2P or you can deposit with your card, whatever card, whether debit or credit cards that you are using. So right here, I am going to show you how to get started. Now, I want you to pay attention to what I want to show you here. Can you see this leaderboard? That is basically where the performances of the leading traders are displayed. You can see all of them based on their ROI, their percentage drawdown on everything they have achieved so far. So very simple. You're going to copy that. But then first of all, you will want to send in money to this place if you want to do that before you can do that in simplicity. So let's see how it goes. So here we can have the copy trading TradFi. You have the join as a trader and followers guide. If you want to join as a trader, you're going to maximize your profit and influence others on this particular aspect of the Bybit copy trading. So here, the leaderboard, you can see that this is based on their top balance traders. This is top ROI, top intraday traders, top new talent traders, top boosters, highest followers profit. So you select based on that. And if you want to get based on top ROI, you can click on this. You can see them. This is the guy that has the highest ROI, about 222.57% in 7 days. You can see it right then. If you click on it, it's going to display more of these details for you. So right here, you can see that is his name. Is it Dunkana Kat? So that is his name, all right? You can actually see that he has about 27 people copying him. He has like 49 trading days in this particular platform. Stability index about 4.0 in 5.0 scale. And then this is it. 7 days views. He has about 908 people that had viewed him. So his asset under management is about $4,000. This is AUM. This is the total asset right now. Profit sharing is 10%. You're going to offer 10% of whatever you make from him under copy trading. So you can see 73 slots left. If you want to copy him, you're going to click on that, but then do your due diligence and look at whatever it is that is displayed here. Can you see them? Can you see everything that is displayed based on the performances, profit, followers, and these are the followers and what they have made? Can you see it? These are their followers and what they have made, and you can see profit to lose. This is everything. Just read through and you're going to see it. We'll see trades. This trader has hidden trading info. Okay, it's not displayed yet, but then followers, these are his followers and their total profit received from whatever they did. This is the profits. You can see them, so you can check on it If you want to actually copy this guy, you simply click on display copy, and then it's going to display this one for you. Now, the first thing to do is the minimum investment for this guy is $100. You can see $100 is displayed right there. So you can put $100, and then you can see select items to copy. Normally USDT perpetual trades. Normally that's what I would recommend for you. You can do trading bots if you want. If you don't want, you can untick it, and then trailing stop. You can click on trailing stop. Trailing stop basically means that if you're making profit and price moved away from your entry, it has made some profit, it can cover the profit so that price will not come back and remove you after making some profit. So trading after every 20 points, price move away from your entry to cover the profit you have made until the point when price is going to finally. So your trailing stop is just like you moving your stop loss to cover some profit. All right. So I've read everything. Click on this, whatever you have there. If you have amount, let's say I want to put 200, and I click on copy now, it's going to start copying this particular guy, and you can equally cancel it at any time you want to end it, and nobody is going to stop you from ending it. All right. So you want to learn more about this, you can simply check and read about everything about the Bybit copy trading. Let me show you where you can get the FAQs, but then you're going to get most of it under the TradFi. Now we're going to go under the TradFi, and I'll show you how to do the TradFi copy trading. So right here is the TradFi copy trading. Click on it and it's going to bring you here. These are all details on that TradFi. The TradFi is basically traditional finance, where you are going to copy forex traders, you're going to copy stock market traders, futures market, commodities market traders, everyone that you have right there, CFDs, whatever you're trading in the financial market. So you can see that we have copy trading here, the user guide. You can actually go to the user guide and learn everything in detail in case you didn't get something I've just explained here. And there are video tutorials here. You can see TradFi FAQ. So click on the copy trading. It's also going to display exactly the same thing as what you have under the crypto copy trading. So this one is specifically for TradFi, especially those of you who love to trade with forex traders, futures traders, commodity traders, and indices. You see that. So you have all of them. This is their performances based on top balance, highest ROI, ROE, return on earning. So you can see that. You see, this guy is I think is the leader here. So we click on him and really just go through them. There are some of them that have good performances. Also, you can see it created 1,000 tech profits, VIP account for large investors. You can see asset under management has about $833,000. You see that under management. Total assets is this, profit sharing. So all the people that are copying him cumulatively, so his total asset is about 7,000. So you can actually see that a lot of people are copying this guy. I'm not recommending anybody. I recommend that you do your due diligence to check whoever has the highest performance and has the metrics that fits into your personality. He has 238 followers under him, and you can see all of it. See it, their entry, their exit, realized profit. You can see it within, I think this is for 24 hours, I guess. Yes, this is says from the 10th. Okay, this is on the 10th, and you can see all of it. If you are scrolling across, you can see. Make sure you do your due diligence before you copy anyone. So this guy has a minimum of $1,000. There are some that have less than 100. So you select the one that you are comfortable with and is within the range of your investment or whatever you want to put under the copy trading. So trailing stop, take profit, you can click on trailing stop. If you want to trail your stop loss, you will put under 5 points to 20 points. You see that means if price move 5 points, you cover it. If it move 20 points, you cover it. Depends on the number you're comfortable with. You see that take profit amount, you see stop loss amount, you put it there. So if you have a certain amount of money, like $1,000, and you see that you lose $50, you just tell the market to close it. That is your stop loss. At any time the trader activates his trade, basically what happens is that yours is also automatically activated based on what you've set around this particular metrics. All right, so it's very simple to actually do the copy trading on Bybit. And then back to where we have here, the next thing I want to show you is if you want to become a trader by yourself right here on the Bybit copy trading platform for the TradFi or the crypto, you can do the same thing. You can see become a trader. It also have it there. Click on become a trader. Your applications have been rejected for the following reasons. You cannot apply to be a TradFi master with a main account. Please use a sub account. Okay, click on confirm. I think I need to create a sub account right here. Let me go. It will take me a lot of stressful work, but then what I'm trying to show you is how to actually become a trader under the Bybit copy trading, you need a sub account on your Bybit platform. You can simply search for it. It's very easy to create a sub account. All right, it's just a sub account on that, and you'll be able to become a Bybit copy trading master trader. You actually be somewhere other people are going to be copy your trades and so on and so forth. So click on that. You can see that I need to create a sub account. I don't have the time to do all those things to start creating that one, but then it's very simple to create a sub account. You can even message their support to help you do that. You can see that is here. You can click on start asking how to have a sub account. But this is it. You can see that it's analyzing its AI. You see that. You see, very simple. Log into your main account as Bybit, click your profile anchor icon, select sub account, choose. It's very simple actually. It's just that I don't want to go into that right now. It doesn't affect anything from your account. So it's very, very simple to do that and end chat. I hope you guys seen how I did that and you're going to do that. So very, very simple. So lastly, another very important aspect of this particular Bybit campaigns is this thing I want to show you. It's called the View Master League. Trades like a master and win up to $1,000 in bonus. You can check this announcement in the description of this video. I'm going to place the link right there. All you need to do is to click on it, and then you're going to see this particular campaign going on. It started still from November 15th, but then you can join it as it is now. Get ready for the ultimate showdown where strategy meets mastery. If you're very good with your trades, you know that you can participate in this. You can just click on register. So how it works is that masters will be ranked based on their copy trading classic trading volume. So I just showed you that you can actually become a master trader where other people copy you, and then you can do that by simply getting a sub account and then get registered. Bybit would now verify you, and boom, you start trading as a master trader. It's from there that you now have access to get into this particular campaign. You can see that a minimum trading volume of 50,000, which is very easy to get. Is a trading volume, is not your entire account, right? It's required to qualify. Now the main account registration will automatically include trading volume from sub account. You see that? So for the top 3 tiers, you have, this is the bonuses that will be given. Become a master trader, how to join. You see that? So you can actually get into this particular campaign very easily. If you have any question you did not understand, but make sure you read through this till the last thing down here before you can join this particular campaign. And I hope this video helps you to get started with this particular copy trading platform. You can read through it, check the FAQs if there's anything you did not understand, and you can also send me a message on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is in the description of this video. Don't hesitate to send me a message. I'll respond immediately. Thank you very much, guys. See you in my next video.